Not even the pouring rain could stop the hundreds of fans and entertainment fraternity from celebrating with the legendary dancehall artist Bounty Killer last night at the Digicel headquarters in downtown Kingston. Now, the event, dubbed Made in Jam Rock, marked the 50th birthday celebration for the artist and was represented by the likes of Spice, Voicemail, Lali, Munga, Ghost, Danny Stevens, Shaggy, and many others.
Bro, let me teach you off the road, bro. Let me teach you off the road. Tell him to the road, but I said I stole
where to find the answers, and I know just how to think, and I know just how to scheme.
Elon Parkinson, Public Relations and Communication Manager at Digicel, organizers of the event, and for whom Bounty is a brand ambassador, spoke to his excitement of the support.
Wow, it's an exhilarating feeling, really, because this is a milestone birthday for Bounty Killer, who is, of course, one of our brand ambassadors. And he represents the brand quite proudly. Certainly, it's a very special occasion for us and his many fans who are here with us, who also happen to be Digicel customers. So we decided to throw this really big birthday party for Bounty in celebration of him, but also for the love that his customers or his fans have for him.
Bounty Killer came to the dancehall arena front in the early 90s with his hardcore, cross, hangry, and miserable style. Happy birthday, Bounty! I'm Dave Gordon reporting for E! Prime.